Optimization of waste process in sugar factory. National sugar industry hold all importable fuel to meet the growing demand of sugar. Along with economic growth and technological progress, the activity of sugar product can causal impact on the environment. Identification lifestyle of sugar product process involves the art of raw material and energy are needed to determine the efficiency of product and the analyzing for the environmental impact. Based on inventory data from sugar plant, the productivity of sugar cane as raw material was 696 tons of can per hectare, but it is realization was only 6790 tons of can per hectare or 6797% of the target. The use of energy in the steam plant from bagasse combustion, the energy generated by bagasse of 283 kali 1011 kcal about the realization of 184 kali 1011 kcal or 96955% of the target. It indication that the efficiency of steam directly loss generated at sugar plant was 117,346 ton that result in increased loss of the environmental impact. Liquid waste at sugar plant exceed the quality standard that has been established. It is associated with efficient in product process that less optimal. Based on the inventory analysis show the efficiency in the use of raw material and energy are influenced by the life cycle starting from the garden until sugar processing in the factory which will have impact on the environmental impact. The sugar life cycle can be start from the extract of sugar cane to become SAS sugar product. In the figure shown that as processing sugarcane product waste and byproduct, where waste generated can be resolved and that is a result and recycle process shown that it is waste which in product can be asked from sugarcane plant. The utilization includes the result liquid waste IPAL processing will be flowing to Lebung which will ask from irrigation of sugarcane. Emission from boiler that product CO2 will be resorbed by sugarcane as well as the use of biltong as organic fertilizer of sugarcane. Based on the inventory analysis carried out in order to save energy as in the factory, it is necessary to optimize at the grinding station so that there is not stopping grinding and the result direct as boiler full must be sufficient. Steam equipment from the product process. The result was shown that sugar factory was in increase in the form of solid, liquid, water, and hard. The waste improvement need to be made so that the quality of waste product is still below quality standard so as not to cause negative impact to the environment. In general, sugar factory in Indonesia processing sugar can only to produce sugar as a single product. That sugar can be used to produce various derivative products such as fertilizer, fodder, molasses, and bagasse. The main problem the occurs in sugar factory in the number of hours the grain stop. This will impact of less optimally energy optimization. The product process in stop so that the sugar product less and less. Besides, the resulting waste is also increased because there is a cumulative of gross shape in liquid waste. The more sugar factory waste get attained is liquid waste because the liquid waste will cause the most environmental impact. In general, the process of grinding sugar mill in Indonesia took place during the dry season during which the Shark Low River. The Shark of water wastewater into river will private and high and noise pollute lot again river and agricultural line so that before the result of waste must be perfect by careful consideration and result. This liquid waste holding in interest for minimums the length of liquid waste that come out of factory before entering the wastewater treatment unit. Utilization of diversion of the result molasses from the crystallization station will alter the foreign industry by the district industry, fermentation industry, and other. In many countries, sugar products have different their product sugar in order to get around the delicate in sugar price. Pricing production costs, impairing market, and reduce risk of loss to the sugar factory. From ultimacy of the direct energy utilization in sugar factory are also inseparable from the loss factor head to radiator, condensator, like in paper, the previous distributor of steam and process vessel due to insulting imperfect scaling and crossing. The head loss resulting from this can be up to 5% and at work is can result up to 12% of steam product. The handling the optimized loss can be reduced to 1% normal can condensation. The condensation among other might be cooling air in the factory so the operation can work comfortable and not surviving hot. Biogas is a source of renewable energy and is available quality low to prevent the amount of drag in the warehouse so that it does not flying. Handling can be done by closing in the warehouse so that drag warehouse is not open and there is no dark powder flying around the factory which can harm human health. Preventive activity can also be carried out by wearing masker around the factory to prevent inhalation of particles. In addition, bagasse can also be turned into plum and ash from paper mills, from animal fat, raw material from making fertilizer, particle board, and bioethanol. From increasing waste processing in sugar factory, we can better protect the equipment and can save more productivity and the process of making sugar with in better that is previous year. So it is important to do an optimization waste processing in sugar factory.